What's up everyone, welcome back to Fish and Hex. In today's video I'm going to show you briefly how to change the alarm sound on your Neptune Apex controller. Now let's just get right into it. Here you go into the original dashboard. Alright, so just go to configuration, miscellaneous setup. Now this is the default one. I'm just going to play it real quick so you guys remember or are aware of the sound that I'm talking about. Yep, everybody knows that one. I dread that sound, so it's time to change it up a little bit. Let's see here. As you see, there's definitely a few. Let's see what this one sounds like. Takes a second to come through. It's too bad they don't play the whole song. That would have been nice. Let's try another one real quick. Update settings. Back in here. Oh, I like this one. I think I'm going to keep this one. And I wouldn't mind being woken up to that, so I'll just save that so everything's good. But yeah, that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching the video. There's going to be a lot of little stuff like this coming out shortly. If you like the video, go and like it, comment, and subscribe as always. And I'll see you next time. Later.